Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML style guide. And right now, we'll be discussing about JavaScript in HTML. Loading JavaScript in HTML. Use simple syntax for loading external scripts. The type attribute is not necessary when you are loading when you are bringing in JavaScript into your HTML code. Let me show you how this works quickly. Back to our code right here. Let's say for instance we want to style this. We want to do something with it using JavaScript, and we want to bring in JavaScript. Let's say immediately inside your HTML head tag, you can have your script along with the source attribute. As you can see, if you have the script with the source attribute, you can bring in your JavaScript. You can say something.js. Let me bring in something. Let me write something.js. Let's say for instance I have a document. I create a document. I call it something.js, right? JS. When I call it something.js, let's open it with our VS Code. And now I want to write something there. Let's say alert. Hello world. Keep looking at this I'm doing right now. And now I want to bring in this something. You know that the something is outside, so I'm bringing it in like this. So it's supposed to enter my code because I'm bringing it in. So if you don't know the reason why I use this // you can check our previous tutorial where I discussed about this in details about the part, the HTML part, the URL part. You can check to know what I mean by this. So quickly, let's see if this will work in our document. Let's check our document. Let's reload. Can you see it's not working? But when we have to do something, which is we have to give it closing tag. The script closing tag is the one I want to show you. If you don't give it script closing tag, it will not work. Now let's reload. Can you see the hello world alert comes in? And press OK and your document will display. That's what I want to show you. If you are to use the script tag without the type, make sure that you put your closing tag. If not, it will not work. If you don't put your closing tag, it will never work. So that's how it will be. That's what I want to show you guys. Anwar akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time, and to the next. Have a great